Welcome back, champions. This is Rise and Conquer channel. We unlock the mindset, discipline, and faith you need to rise higher and live with purpose. Tired of living small, tired of fear, tired of excuses, you're in the right place. 'Cause every week, we bring you powerful truths, strategies, and stories that will push you to become the person God created you to be. Now, let's dive into today's message.
Do you know why so many people work hard their whole lives and still die broke? It's not because they don't work. It's because they don't work smart. Hard work alone doesn't make you rich, smart money moves do. And today, I want to show you how to make money the smart way. Hard work versus smart work. We've been told all our lives, work hard, and you'll succeed. But look around. Some of the hardest working people, laborers, cleaners, drivers, are still broke. Why? Because hard work alone is not enough. It must be hard work plus smart decisions. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, said, "It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for." The rich don't just make money. They make their money work for them. The trap of chasing money. Most people spend their lives chasing money. They trade hours for dollars. They run on the treadmill of bills and salaries. And at the end of the month, they're still tired and broke. That's not smart. That's slavery. Smart people don't just chase money, they chase value. They look for ways to solve problems, create systems, build assets. And in return, money chases them. Think about Warren Buffett. He didn't get rich by working 18-hour days in an office. He got rich by learning the smart way to invest, by making his money work while he slept. Think about Jay-Z. He started in music, yes. But he didn't stop there. He invested in clothing lines, tech companies, liquor brands, real estate. That's why he's a billionaire. Even in Africa, look at Aliko Dangote. He didn't just sell cement, he built an empire around distribution, production, and long-term investment. That's smart money. Keys to making money the smart way. 1. Learn financial literacy. You can't manage what you don't understand. Learn about assets, liabilities, saving, investing, compounding. 2. Build skills that pay. Don't just work harder. Work smarter. Learn high-income skills, marketing, tech, leadership, sales, skills that multiply your earning power. 3. Invest, don't just spend. Every time money enters your hand, you have two choices: consume it or grow it. Smart people grow it. 4. Create multiple streams of income. Never depend on one paycheck. Smart money thinkers diversify. Side hustles, businesses, investments. 5. Play the long game. Don't fall for quick riches. Smart money grows slow, steady, consistent. Patience is power. Breaking limiting beliefs. Too many people say, "I wasn't born rich." Listen, you don't have to be born rich. You have to be born smart. Stop saying, "Money is evil." Money is not evil. The love of money is the root of evil. Money is a tool. In the hands of the wise, it feeds families, builds hospitals, sends children to school. Change your beliefs about money, and money will change its behavior toward you. So erase the truth: if you keep working only for money, you'll work until you die. But if you learn to make money the smart way, your money will start working for you. Don't just sweat. Think. Don't just hustle. Build. Don't just earn. Invest. Because wealth is not about luck. It's about mindset. It's about decisions. It's about being smart. As Warren Buffett said, the best investment you can make is in yourself. So start today. Learn. Grow. Invest. And watch as your smart decisions create wealth, freedom, and a future beyond your wildest dreams. Thank you,
Remember
and
this,
God bless
motivation
you.
gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. Your greatness is not in the future, it's already inside you, waiting for you to act. If today's message spoke to you, don't just listen, take action. And if you found value, hit that like button, share this with someone who needs encouragement, and subscribe so you don't miss the next breakthrough. Until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and live every day with purpose. God bless you.